Okay, so I'm getting ready to do my bleaching for my hair. I'm at a level 2. It's my natural hair, so I'm getting ready to bleach this and try to match the rest of my hair, which is about a level 10, level 11 down here. So hopefully this will even out and look less brassy. So I'm going to tone this too after I'm done bleaching my roots. And I actually haven't washed my hair in a couple days just so that the bleach doesn't damage my hair. I have very oily hair, so it shouldn't bring any damage. That's crazy. My ends aren't split or anything. Kind of healthy for my hair texture. I have a different hair texture than most people. My hair can stand up by itself, so it's thick texture. And then I have a natural black hair. I'm going to be matching up here and bringing it down and okay, so I'm getting ready to mix up this bleach. I use Blonde Brilliance powder lightener. It's an express lightener that lifts up to 9 levels. It's very strong, and you're not supposed to use this with anything higher than a 25 volume developer by Blonde Brilliance because it's so strong. But I like to mix in oil with my developer. So this is one of my oils that I mix in there so that way it doesn't damage my hair. It's the booster pack. It's supposed to be kind of like Opalex. It's just like oil I mix in with the bleach. So one of these is for every 2 ounces of bleach mixture. And then so since I'm putting this in here, it's going to drop it by 10 volumes. So when I mix up to 35 in there, it will be more of a 25 volume. So the most you can go with that powder bleach. And you'll see the results in the end. It should, I've done this before, so it should be fine, at least with my hair tight. Okay, I'm going to shampoo out this bleach. Then after I'm done shampooing out this bleach, I'm going to put in this Perfect Blonde Instant Toning Mask. And the shade that this is in, it's in the lightish ash blonde. Here's the box. I got this from Sally's. This instant toning mask says to leave it on for up to 3 to 25 minutes, but I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes. Okay, so I got this after color treatment in, and you're supposed to leave this in for 3 to 4 minutes. And this helps stop the bleaching process and restore your hair by closing the cuticles up. And looks like I need to tone more too. Okay, I just rinsed out color treatment, and from where I bleach my roots, it is very brassy still after using that cream toning mask. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix up some toner and apply it to my roots and the rest of my blonde. So that way it evenly looks blonde and not freshly bleached blonde at the roots and the rest blonde. I don't want it to look like that. This is the toner I'm going to be mixing up. It's called Misty Rose by Blonde Brilliance, and it is a 1-to-1 ratio with developer. I'm going to use a level 25 developer with this toner because I want to lift it a little bit to match the blonde that's already in there. It's going to lift it a couple shades. Okay, I'm going to be adding this booster oil into this toner mix. I'm going to be adding half of this in there down to the 1/8 ounce lime. And make sure it's only halfway down. This is supposed to help prevent breakage of your hair and your colorane. It's kind of like Opalex, like the generic Opalex. Okay, so I put half of this bottle in there. Now I'm going to mix it up. Okay, I just applied this toner, and I'm going to let it sit in my hair for about 20 minutes. Okay, I just rinsed out this toner, and I just towel dried my hair, so I'm getting ready to blow dry my hair to see how it turned out. Okay, I just blow dried my hair, and my roots are still pretty brassy. So all I bleached was really my roots. My roots are still pretty brassy, so here in another week, I'm going to be toning my roots again, but since I just bleached and toned it twice, I'm going to let it sit for at least a week before I really tone it down again. But so far it pretty much matches my, once it tones down, I'll match the rest of my hair. My hair feels pretty healthy. I don't have that much. Yeah, it's a process going from black to blonde. It's a long process, but it's getting there. Cannot see my roots now. All my dark roots are gone. And I'm sure after it shampoos, yeah, all my roots are bleached.